Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. One of my favorite combinations are mushroom and chicken. I've always loved how these two would make a fantastic dish with very few ingredients. One of the simplest yet elevated dish you could make is the mushroom and chicken Alfredo. Let's get started. First, cook the pasta according to the instructions on the pack. You can use any type of pasta such as penne, fusilli, fettuccine, etc. Here I am using tagliatelle. Now we'll make the sauce. Into a pan, add about 25 grams of butter. To this, add 500 grams of cubed chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper to the chicken and let it cook on medium heat. After 6 to 7 minutes, the chicken will start releasing its juices. Now, remove the chicken and its stock from the pan and keep it aside. Into the same pan, add about 25 grams of butter, 5 finely chopped shallots, and 5 to 6 garlic cloves which are minced. Let it saute for 2 to 3 minutes or till the shallots are translucent. To this, add 500 grams of the mushrooms, one teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon pepper. Let the mushrooms cook with the pan covered. The juices from the mushroom will add the flavor to the sauce. Once the mushroom has cooked through, add the chicken and the stock back into the pan and let it simmer. Add 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of milk to the sauce and let it simmer for a minute. Add around half cup of Parmesan cheese. This will thicken the sauce. The sauce is ready. To this, add the cooked pasta and mix well. Cover the pan and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the pasta will absorb some of the sauces and the starch from the pasta will thicken it too. Your creamy mushroom and chicken Alfredo is ready to be served. Enjoy it with a glass of your favorite wine. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until next time, happy cooking!